So Car Repair, So Car Garage, back with another video. Today we are working on my new car that I got. So I guess this is kind of like a reveal slash maintenance video because I'm about to do an oil change on this car. I had it for about 2 weeks now, and I'm finally just getting around to putting everything I want on it. I've been loving the car so far, but now it's just time to put my own touch on it. So let's go ahead and get this oil change done first. And I'm also going to change out a couple more parts. I'm going to show you what I'm changing. But here's what I got. Here's what I have, guys. It's a 2007 Mustang GT 5-speed manual. I've been loving this car since I got it. Sounds pretty good. I'll give you guys a sound clip at the end of the video. As you can see, we have Borla mufflers. Pretty nice set of wheels, but I'm gonna change them, of course. All right, so once you jack up the car, you see this black pan right here. Follow it to the back. Here's your drain plug. It's a 16 millimeter. So when you're going to tighten it down, you don't have to tighten it super tight, just get it on there snug. Next, you're gonna want to change your oil filter out. It's actually like literally right here. It's not hard to find. Should be hand tight. Let's see. Oh yeah. That went well. That I'm going with 5W20 Motorcraft synthetic blend. Got another quart here, and I have this Castrol GTX on the side just in case I need it. And here's the oil filter that I chose to go with. It's the part number. So now, what I do is I like to fill my oil filter with oil. I know some people are against it. Some people say it's okay, but this is the way I was taught. This is the way that I've been doing it for years. So I don't know, do it or don't do it. I like to fill my oil filter up with oil and then screw it on to the housing. So I only believe in using wrenches when they are on too tight and I need to get them off, but never do I use them to install an oil filter. I have another part that I'm going to install. Motorcraft fuel filter, part number, you can see right here. Fuel filter, you're gonna go ahead and replace this while the car is up. And if I'm not mistaken, it's on the driver's side here. Once I take this cover off, the fuel filter is gonna be sitting somewhere like right here. Once you're under here, you'll see exactly where everything is at. All right, so once you remove that plastic, you can see your fuel filter right here. We'll go ahead and remove this 10 mil to get this bracket loose so I can kind of just play with it. To get these lines off though, it has these little tabs on it. You have to press and kind of sort of separate. So press that tab and separate it pull it that way. Same here, hit that tab, pull it that way. Just be mindful or careful of fuel spilling out of here. Just get you like a bucket or something like that, or something to catch it. Alright, that's one connection. It's not too bad. It's actually much less than I thought would come out. Alright. Okay. There we go. But it's the same filter, identical. Basically just feed it through here. All right. And it's sort of tapered, so it'll get to a point where it gets real snug in there. Just be careful with it and take your time. Make sure your lines are secure. Oh, good.
Yeah! Yeah! Mom! Yeah!